Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to make a web page in the simplest way. Before I start, I wanted to remind you that don't forget to hit the subscribe button with the bell icon turned on and make sure to like. So let's begin with today's video. First write the HTML command. We would close this command at the end. Then write the head command. We would close it just before HTML command. Now write the title. Our title is simplest web page. Now we would close this command. Now we would write body command. Then heading 1. Our heading is this is the simplest web page. Now we would close this both commands, heading 1 and body. Now we would close the head command. Then finally we would close the HTML command. Now save this with the extension .html. I have already saved it with the extension .html. Now press Ctrl O and open the desired file. I've opened my file. It's working in the perfect way. Thanks for watching. Bye.